Looking for the right product? You're in the right place. Let's break this one down. Are you tired of using flimsy oil sprayers that always seem to clog up or leak all over your kitchen counter? I know I was, until I discovered the OLIVIA Signature Advanced Kitchen Oil Sprayer by Flairosol. This premium oil sprayer is a total game changer, and I'm excited to share with you why it's become a staple in my kitchen. With its built-in filter system and leak-proof design, I can confidently say that this oil sprayer is one of the best on the market, and many customers agree, having made it a well-reviewed and popular choice among home cooks. One of the things I love about this oil sprayer is the unique buckle design that prevents accidental oil leakage, making it perfect for outdoor activities like BBQs and picnics. The glass bottle is also incredibly sturdy, with a smooth texture that feels great in my hand. When I spray the oil, I love the sound of the trigger clicking into place, and the fine mist that comes out is perfect for coating my food evenly. The result is a delicious, evenly cooked meal that's packed with flavor. I've used this oil sprayer to make everything from roasted vegetables to grilled meats, and it's performed flawlessly every time. The anti-drip trigger is especially useful, as it prevents oil from dripping down the side of the bottle and making a mess. Whether I'm cooking at home or on the go, this oil sprayer is always by my side. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use oil sprayer, I highly recommend giving the OLIVIA Signature Advanced Kitchen Oil Sprayer a try. I think you'll be amazed at the difference it can make in your cooking. That's my honest take on it. Drop a like if this helped, and the link is down below if you want to check the price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.